If you're having trouble receiving login codes from Robinhood, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your phone number. Ensure that the phone number linked to your Robinhood account is correct. Go to your account settings and verify that the number is accurate and formatted correctly. Step 2. Confirm network connection. Make sure your phone has a stable network connection. If you're in an area with poor reception, try moving to a location with better signal strength or switching to Wi-Fi if possible. Step 3. Review Do Not Disturb settings. Check if your phone's Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. If it is, disable it to ensure that you can receive SMS messages, including login codes from Robinhood. Step 4. Resend the code. If you still haven't received the code, go back to the login screen and request to resend the code. Sometimes it may take a moment for the message to arrive. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Robinhood's customer support. They can assist you in resolving any issues with your account or phone number. By following these steps, you should be able to receive your login codes from Robinhood without any further issues. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.